Alright folks, well, we're going to monkey with this S-10 for a minute. Just got through working on Isaac's Tacoma. Let's see if we can drop a battery in this bugger and see if it'll start. Autocorrected. You don't make mistakes. You make custom modifications. Alright. Battery hold down, check. Was rotten, check. Rusted out. Huh. That's what I thought, it's an 8. Yep. Oh, I'm not just gonna throw this battery in here like some people. Just gonna caress it in there. Just lay it down in there easy like. There ain't much room in here, bugger, I can tell you that. Doesn't look too big. But it's sure fighting me. Well, I got her to sit down in there. She don't like it none, but she's in there. Put me a cap on this positive battery terminal. I don't want that booger sparking on me. Now, we are going to do the fire test on this rig. It's set for so long, you just never know. Get a bit of mouse family. Having lunch in there and everything. Or maybe just a dinner or a snack time, who knows? You just want to be prepared for these kind of things. Alright, there's a negative. Alright, positive's connected. Come on now. Don't smell nothing, don't see no smoke. Battery's in there. Well, let's see what she got, fellas. Fellettes, folks, gentlemen, and ladies. Everybody else watching. Well, they say, bring the lightning, or is it the thunder, or is it let the thunder roll, or I don't know, something like that. Here you go. Well, it does turn over. Looks like the fuel gauge does not work. The volts does work. You know something I better do before we continue. I better check. Let's check see if there's any mouse nets in here. I might need to dump a little fuel in the gas. Good, it's still got the air surface. Yeah. Give me a splash of fuel. Ah. Whoa. I hate these jugs. Hate these kind of jugs. Alright, I'm putting this lid back on. That fuel went everywhere. My luck, it'll backfire. And we're in it. We're in it proper then anyway. Come on. Nut on the wing. What do you think the chances of a fella getting this thing to start? Yeah, no, I just tossed the battery in. I haven't checked the lightning. See if it's even foreign. Or not. Alright. Let the thunder roll. I think that's the saying. Uh-oh. She fired for a second there. It's trying to. I don't know if the fuel pump's working. I don't hear it. Of course, there's stupid buzzer in this thing. I better give it a plug of a I wonder if a fella could give it a little gas while he's starting it. Here's the story. Alright, let's thunder roll. Gonna stay running? Come on, baby. Oh, now. I wonder, I probably should, I tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna hook this code scanner up to this thing while I've got it on, or while I've got the battery in it. See what kind of codes it's telling me. Alright, this thing doesn't have an OBD2 port, it has an OBD1, which means we're going to use this here as a jumper and put it on the top right two wires, and then you turn on the key and it'll flash the codes. It'll flash number 1, and then it'll flash 2, it'll blink the second time for the check engine light will blink. That's what I'm talking about. The check engine light will blink, it'll be a 1 or 2, and that means that the system's functioning properly. And then it'll start flashing you your codes. So let's see what they are. Alright, there's a 1, the 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Well, it's only flashing 12. So apparently it has no codes. Of course, it's been unhooked and it ain't ran, so probably lost all the stored codes. Yep. Alright, well, thought maybe we'd get lucky and kind of get an idea, but we didn't. Hey, I went and got a battery, and this is the second attempt to fire this thing up. Well, he says this takes a specific type of battery. Got a go handle. something I think off the tank, also off the evap system, but I don't know, so just ignore that for now. All right, ready?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna turn the key on. I'm gonna close this door too, so maybe the buzzer won't go off with the door closed. Anything?
Not shit.
All right, this time I want you to give it some gas and do the same thing.
Give it gas.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. All right. All right, it's not getting fuel. So here's what I'm gonna show you a trick.
Say what? What'd you say?
I said I'm gonna show you a trick.
What'd you say before that? It's not getting fuel? Okay.
All right, these things, I've worked on these injectors for years and years and years. These types.
Mm-hmm.
They're all through the 80s and 90s, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are called throttle body injectors. And they pop off like so. All right? Now, if I put the 9-volt battery on that, it should click. Click, click, click.
If they're good injectors?
If it's good. If it doesn't click, then they're not good. But they also could be. So I might have to take them off, soak them. All right? Listen.
No.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that one's good. Fuel pump's not working, I bet that's the problem.
Yeah, fuel pump.
Alright, so now, question is why the fuel pump not working? So now we know the fuel pump's not working, so we need to test. We need to check the fuel pump relay. 414. Alright. System check. Blah blah blah. Yeah, gasoline's flammable. We know that. Electric connectors, yes. Batteries charged, yes. Air filter element, yes. A blown fuse. Replace it, see if it blows again. That's something else we're going to have to check fuses. Alright, power window, power accessories, 4-wheel drive, radio, battery, power auxiliary, stop hazard, aluminum, horn, ECM, DRL fog, turn, ECM ignition, gauges, wiper, radio, brake, heated seats, and heater AC. And these are spares. Are spares any good? Yes, that one's good. That one's good. I think I'm just going to pull all of these and see if they're any good. See if there's anything that's bad, which that doesn't necessarily keep it from starting. I mean, certain ones, like the horn one won't keep it from starting. You know what I mean?
Yeah. How many miles are on it?
124,000. Hang on a second, let me put a little gas in.
Okay.
Alright. Start it. I was trying to hope it'd kick in that, it would suck fuel, kick in that fuel pump, yeah. Alright.